Alright, so this question says, Avery, Betty, and Carly are traveling together. During lunchtime, they all get hungry. Avery has 9 loaves of bread, and Betty has only 2 loaves of bread, and Carly has no bread whatsoever. The 11 loaves that Avery and Betty have are identical. The 3 girls decide to share the 11 loaves equally among themselves. Betty and Carly decide to pay Avery for the bread they receive from her. If Betty needs to pay Avery $1.25 for the bread she receives from Avery at the same rate, how much money should Carly pay Avery? To do this, I'm going to make a table. Make it 6 by 6. There we go. I'm going to get rid of the borders. Okay, and now I'll write the names. Avery. I'm going to give Avery a bit more space than Betty. She does have more loaves of bread. So we're going to represent each loaf of bread with one rectangle on this table. So Avery needs a bit more space. She does have 9 loaves of bread. Alright, let's make those 9 loaves of bread. I'm going to highlight one row of 5. That's probably not the right color. Shading, I'll make the loaves of bread this orangish red color. But Avery needs some more. She's got 9 loaves of bread. We want to put the bread here. Make it the same color. Up. I didn't do something right because it just made it into one huge loaf. Do all borders. There we go. Okay, and Betty has 2 pieces of bread. I'm not really liking that Betty's bread is right next to Avery's. Maybe I'll put Avery's bread here. I will do that. And now I'm just going to, this is a bit of work, but I'm just going to do, nope. There we go, it's back to normal. But of course, that got rid of that. There. And I'll keep Betty's loaves here. Doesn't that look a lot better? Actually, I think I should make Betty's loaves a different color, so we could really see who. We could see her 2 loaves of bread that she has, and Carly has no bread whatsoever. All right, so we could see that if we try to divide this bread evenly, we're not going to get a whole number. So I will divide each loaf of bread into 3 slices. Then, because we have 11 loaves, 11 times 3, because 3 slices make a loaf. We should have 33 slices, and 33 can be conveniently divided by 3 with no fraction or decimal number. So I'm going to divide each loaf into 3 slices. I'm just going to start from here, even though I probably should. No, it doesn't matter. I don't have to start from the beginning. But I need to divide each loaf, even Betty's, into 3 slices for this to work. There. Alright, so to divide it evenly, so 33 divided by 3 is 11, so each girl should have 11 slices of bread. Alright, that's okay. Okay, happened again. This time I'll be more careful. Marking each slice of bread with the letters of the first letter of each girl's name. Now, each girl should receive 11 slices. As soon as I'm done with Avery's 11, then I will write that down. She has 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Right? And write down each girl should receive 11. That's not how you spell receive. I'll just fix that really quickly. Forgot the E, didn't I? Slices of bread. There. Right, so Avery has her 11. Oh, see, Betty has 6 slices of her own. She needs 11. 11 minus 6 is 5, so she needs 5 more pieces of bread. From Avery, of course. That's why she has to pay Avery. Okay, I'm going to make them that blue that Betty has for her bread. Okay, that's not the right thing. There. And of course, we have to mark Betty's own bread with her B. There. But now the leftovers are going to Carly. Carly has no bread of her own, so she gets it all from Avery. And there are 11 slices left for her, which is the same amount as everyone else. Good thing. So we know we did divide correctly. 33 divided by 3 is 11. Because Avery doesn't get that much bread. There we go. Now it should work. As soon as I highlight these two. There we go. That's what I wanted to do. And there's just one here. There we go. I'm going to make her bread a different color than Avery's and Betty's. I'll make it a light green color so we can see the writing on it. I'm going to make it a dark red color. Alright, so the question that we changed the color of says, if Betty needs to pay Avery $1.25 for the bread she receives from Avery, at the same rate, how much money should Carly pay Avery? So Betty is paying $1.25. Okay? She has Avery has given her 5 slices of bread which she needs to pay for, and she is paying $1.25 for them. Okay, we know that 4.25 cents make $1. So that means this right here, all the slices of bread in the orange rectangle, not including Carly's one, that's $1. The one in the orange rectangle, that's $1. Now over here, if this is $1, 4.25 cents make $1, right? And there's 4 slices of bread. So that means each slice of bread has to be worth 25 cents. Okay, and then there's this other slice over here. If each slice is worth 25 cents, that has to be 25 cents. And to know that we got our answer right, $1 plus 25 cents is $1.25, which is all the bread she receives from Avery. Now that we did that, now we need to know how much money does Carly need to pay Avery for the bread she received. All right, Carly had no bread. It stated that in the question. She is getting all of it from Avery, all of her 11 slices. But before we do that, I'm going to write here each slice of bread. I'll do represents. $0.25. Each slice of bread represents 25 cents. Maybe I'll do it. Each slice of bread is worth 25 cents. Maybe that'll be better. Yeah, I like that better. There we go. Okay, now to count Carly's bread. She has 11 slices, so I'm going to group them in dollars. As we said before, 4 slices of bread is $1 because 4 25 cents make a dollar. Right, that's $1. $2. There's 3 slices, 25, 50, 75. So Carly has $1.25. Nope, $2.75. Now, of course, I don't think we really need more. Oh, you know what? I'm actually just going to take this and put it on here. Maybe a comma should work. Then, of course, I have to get rid of this capital E. Carly should pay Avery. Not how you spell should, is it? Avery, capital A for Avery, $2.75. Forgot the dollar sign. Now I know there's a quicker way than just deleting it, but for some reason I still do that every time. Alright, I'll clear all of this. Yep, 11 slices is worth $2.75.